Hello fans. Welcome to my channel.
Are you ready?
Greetings to all. Today I will talk about computer. A computer is a machine that can be programmed to perform mathematical or logical operations automatically. Modern computers can perform generic sets of operations known as programs. These programs enable computers to perform a wide range of tasks. A computer system is a complete computer that includes the hardware, operating system, core software, and peripheral equipment required and used for complete operation. A wide range of industrial and consumer goods use computers as control systems. Includes common special purpose devices such as microwave ovens and remote controls such as industrial devices such as industrial robots and computer-aided design. As well as general purpose devices such as mobile devices such as personal computers and smartphones. Computers strengthen the internet, which links to millions of other computers and users. Early computers were used only for calculations. Simple manual instruments like the abacus have helped people to calculate since ancient times. At the beginning of the Industrial Revolution, some mechanical devices were made for long tedious tasks such as guide patterns for self-looming. More sophisticated electric machines made specialized analog calculations in the early 20th century. The second digital electronic counting machines were made during World War II. The first semiconductor transistors in the late 1940s followed silicon-based MOSFET, MOS transistors, and monolithic integrated circuit, IC, chip technology in the late 1950s. Leading to the microprocessor and microcomputer computer revolution in the 1970s. Since then, the speed, power, and versatility of computers have increased dramatically. Transistor calculations have increased rapidly, as stated under Moore's law, leading to the digital revolution from the late 20th century to the early 21st century. Typically, a modern computer has at least one processing component, usually some type of computer memory, including a central processing unit, CPU, in the form of a microprocessor. Usually a semiconductor memory chip. The processing element conducts mathematical and logical operations, and a sequencing and control unit can change the sequence of activities in response to the stored information. Peripheral devices include input devices, keyboards, rats, joysticks, etc., output devices, monitor screens, printers, etc., and input-output devices that perform both functions, e.g. 2000s touchscreen. Peripheral devices allow data retrieval from any external source, and they enable the storage and retrieval of the results of activities. Etymology: computer. According to the Oxford English Dictionary, the first known use of the word computer in English author Richard Braithwaite's book The Young Man's Glannings was in 113. I read The Real Computer of the How, sick, times and the best mathematician who breathed, and he shortens your days. The use of the term refers to a human computer. A person who does calculations or calculations. The term had the same meaning until the mid-20th century. Towards the end of this period, women were often hired as computers because they were paid less than their male counterparts. By 1943, most human computers were computers. The Online Etymology Dictionary gives the first attested use of computer in the 1640s, meaning one who counts. This is an agent noun from Count v. The Online Etymology Dictionary states that the term counting machine of any kind has been used since 1897. The Online Etymology Dictionary indicates that the term modern use means programmable digital electronic computer, meaning that the name has existed as a Turing machine in a theoretical sense from 1945 to 1945. Charles Babbage, an English mechanical engineer and polymath, introduced the concept of programmable computers. Considered the father of computers. He conceived and invented the first mechanical computer in the early 19th century. After working on his revolutionary difference engine designed to aid in navigational calculations, he realized that a more general design, an analytical engine, was possible. The input of programs and data should have been delivered to the machine via punch cards. A method used to direct mechanical looms like Jacquard looms. For the output, the machine will have a printer, a curved platter and a bell. So thanks for watching.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.